Hi, I'm Katie Backus with the Backus Realty Group, and I can't wait to share with you our newest listing located in the highly coveted community of McDowell Mountain Ranch. This is your opportunity to live in one of the best neighborhoods in North Scottsdale at an incredible price. Let's go check it out. Step inside to discover an open floor plan adorned with soaring 20-foot vaulted ceilings. The heart of the home is the gourmet kitchen, which showcases gleaming granite countertops, sleek stainless steel appliances, and ample cabinetry for all of your culinary needs. Perfect for entertaining, the kitchen seamlessly flows into the spacious family room, complete with a cozy gas fireplace. For added convenience, the primary bedroom is conveniently located on the first floor, offering a serene retreat. Upstairs, you'll find additional bedrooms as well as a generously sized loft area, ideal for use of a playroom, home office, or media room. Step outside and discover a backyard oasis unlike any other. The resort-style outdoor living space features a lagoon-style pool, complete with a refreshing Baja step and stunning Pebble-Tec finish. Entertain in style with the outdoor kitchen area, equipped with everything you need to host dining experiences for family and friends. The expansive ramada provides shade on sunny days, while the outdoor fireplace offers warmth and ambiance on cooler evenings. I hope you love this home as much as I do. For more information, please reach out to Backus Realty Group.